Hello everybody, this is your best friend in the whole wide world, Ben Surratt, with Helping Hand Equity, and I am in the beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. And I'm going to show you the virtual tour of a 1993 Fleetwood. Alright? Let's start here in the kitchen. The tile and the backsplash was done this year. The countertops were done approximately a year ago. As you can see, they're stainless steel appliances. We got a Frigidaire refrigerator, which is staying. The stove is staying. The Amana dishwasher is also staying. Let's move into the living room. Angela, do you know what the lot rent here is? Because I do.
It is $7.25.
You're correct. And does that include anything?
It does not include any utilities.
It does not, okay. The flooring, as you can tell, is laminate. They do have dual pane vinyl windows. Let's keep going. Follow me. This is your laundry room, utility laundry room. This is the first full bathroom. There are two full bathrooms. Let's go into the first of three, count them, 3 bedrooms. Walk-in closets. Follow me. Here's the second bedroom. They use this as an office storage room, obviously, but you can make it into your storage or office room or your bedroom. You ready for the master bedroom? I know you are, I can tell. Let's do this. Look at this. It's so, like, how do I describe this home? It's quaint. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it has this homey feeling to it. It feels like home. I love it. Do you want to see the other bathroom? All right. I'll let you go through here. Oh, are you done? Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Before you leave, I want to throw a picture of, or pictures of the outside right now. Did you enjoy the outside pictures? I know you did. Angela, lovely wife, where can they find this awesome home and how can they contact you?
They can reach me at 360-285-3434.
Can they call and text?
You bet they can.
Can they go to the website?
They can.
What's our website?
It is helpinghandequity.com.
Awesome. Thank you all. Appreciate it. I will post the price right here. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.